Hey, it's me, Rob, and today I'm checking out the Lost Continent. There's some rumors floating around that this park area is going to close and be rethemed as a Zelda park area. I don't know if that's true or not, but I figured why not enjoy the Lost Continent while we still can. So come hang out, I'll show you some stuff. All right, we're in the Lost Continent. And the first thing you see to the left when you come into this park area is the Mythos restaurant. This is really cool. It's one of the most well-themed items, I think, in any of the parks. It's really cool. Zoom out here a little bit. I really like coming over here. If you're just looking for a break or you want to hang out for a second. And then over here, to the left of it, if you're facing the Lost, or if you're facing Mythos, the restaurant, over here's the smoking area, or a smoking area in Islands of Adventure. If you want to come over here and have a seat, do a little vaping, smoke a ciggy, this is the spot to do it. Directly across from Mythos is the closed Poseidon's Fury, which is rumored, as I said earlier, is rumored to change into some sort of Zelda attraction. And these Zelda attractions are going to be based on the video games. Apparently there's some live action movies that are in the works from Sony, but this theme park will be the Nintendo version of Zelda. Poseidon's Fury over here. That trident is so cool. And you know, I don't really think that Poseidon's Fury was that great of an attraction, to be honest with you. It was like a walkthrough stage show thing, and you know, depending on the performance of the actors and all that, you know, it could make or break it. They had a really cool water tunnel when you walked in. It was like a big, I don't even know how they did it. The water was circling around the walls. That was probably the coolest part of the whole attraction. But because it closed, everyone was losing their minds about the t-shirts and, you know, trying to ride it one last time. Well, ride it, walk through it. So there's Poseidon's Fury. I'm also hearing that if this does become a Nintendo-based Zelda land, that the outside of Mythos will be rethemed to fit the land area a little bit better. These are all just rumors at this point. But I've been hearing about Zelda for a while now, that it's going to be taking over this park area. I'm assuming once Epic opens, they'll start closing whole sections of both studios and islands for some updates. Right over here is a Pearl. Little Pearl experience. Pearl stones and jewelry. There, other than Poseidon's Fury, other than that walkthrough attraction, there are no rides over here in the Lost Continent. It's all shopping and eating. We'll take a walk through here. Some sun visors and hats. Bunch of jewelry in here. Some bracelets. A couple of small bags, lots of necklaces. These look like elemental stones of some sort. Those are fun. I would wear one of those around. I would wear that. Nothing too crazy in here. Backpacks, t-shirts, you know. The basic types of merchandise you would usually see at a theme park shop. Icy stand over here. They also have some beers available. I can see a Heineken. I don't know if there's like Angry Orchard over there, if you're all into ciders. Oh, it's a frozen slush with alcohol. $15.79. Novelty ice creams, pretzels with cheese. They got Heineken and Corona in there. I didn't know you guys had alcoholic slushies. That's pretty dope. Popcorn stand. Treasures of Poseidon is the name of that little shop we were just in. Over here to the left, that's how you get over to Jurassic Park and the Velocicoaster. Here's Fire Eaters. We're gonna see if we can't get a quick peek at the menu. I've never ate here at Fire Eaters. Looks like this is the food, one of the food menus here. We got a gyro, crispy chicken salad, chicken fingers, jumbo hot dog with chili. Oh yeah, there's Fire Eaters. Like I was saying before, there's really no rides over here. It's all just shops and food. Some more seating over here. Some snakes. Up there on top on the archway. There's kind of a cool fountain over here in the seating area next to Fire Eaters. This thing's pretty cool. I don't know if that's supposed to be like a lion. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Sorry, my camera was a little weird there. So that was Fire Eaters over there in that shop. That's how you get over to Jurassic Park over that way. Over here to the left is another store. They got some dragon themed merchandise over here. Lots of dragons on t-shirts, some little dragon figurines. Some goblets, chalices. I don't know what the word is, but these are cool. I would drink out of one of these. I would drink out of one of these for sure. What's this thing cost? 30 bucks? I probably wouldn't drink out of it for 30 bucks. If someone had one somewhere, or I was presented said cup at like a restaurant, that'd be pretty cool. I would drink out of that for sure. More dragon themed merchandise over here. Some more stands. Got a little cool hourglass. This one's pretty nuts. There is a little battle going on here between two dragon riders. T-shirt's pretty dope. I wonder how much this thing costs. I'm not seeing a price on it anywhere. No price. I'm not gonna keep looking. Probably like 35 bucks. I don't know. There's some other figurines over here behind these little locked glass doors. We're gonna try to sneak over there here in a second. Wooden swords. I think it's got a little weight to it too. It says it's not a toy. It is a display piece, and it is not made to actually hit anything with. I'm also not seeing a price on any of these. There's that wooden sword right there. Well, some little portraits over here, some more dragons. And some more goblets. This one is dope. It's like an armored hand holding the cup. This thing will run you, looks like $35. That one's really cool. They got some matching king and queen shirts over here, tank tops. This one's a V-neck. And then here we are over on the little glass case. They got some more really cool display pieces. More dragons. That one's cool, the head. A little night down here. Look at these guys. Ready to scrap with some dragons. Another cool hourglass. This might be my favorite one right here. Look at this. Wow. That's really cool. And then we got some unicorns up here in the top right. That one looks like a unicorn skull. That's pretty wild. We're gonna get out of here. This is a kebab shop over here. Dessert, kebabs, kebab, I don't know how you're supposed to say it. They got a beef, a chicken, and a vegan meatball, as well as a Greek salad combo, along with hummus, Greek yogurt, a fruit cup, some chips. You can get a pretzel or a churro over here too. Prices aren't the prices aren't terrible. I don't know what that was. But there's a bunch of seating over here, and restrooms, I believe, over here near the kebab shop, kebab. I'm gonna say it both ways just in case. And here you can get henna tattoos. A little booklet here with the prices. Get them on your hands. $40. There's some $25 options, $35 options. I have a couple of tattoos. My mom doesn't want me to get any more, so I've been thinking about getting one of these for the next time I go home. Some more designs over here. Looks like they might have some... Oh, they're doing psychic readings? That's cool. I didn't know they did psychic readings here. And some sage. Sage and incense and stuff you can light on fire. That's cool. I did not know they did psychic readings. $25 for 5 minutes. For 10 minutes, you can pay $40. Then you can do 2 of them, in-depth, multi-form. There's all sorts of options here. I've never had a psychic reading before. They got some minerals and crystals and gems and stuff in here too. Oils. I had a friend in high school who would put crystals in her pillowcase when she was sleeping. Supposed to give her energy or something. I don't know what they were supposed to do, but she put crystals in her pillowcase. Right over there is Hogsmeade. This is one of the coolest things. And you don't, I never know when he's talking. But this is the fountain over here. This guy, this dude will talk to you. You know, this has been here for a while. I don't know how popular of an attraction it is anymore. But I'm assuming if they say this land is gonna go, this area will be full of people trying to talk to the old, it's like mystical or mythical fountain or something. It's pretty cool. This is also a cool place to come take a break for a second. If you want to sit down, get out of the crowds. And then the Halloween store is over here in the Lost Continent. All Hallows Eve Boutique. It's over here. We'll see how the lighting is in here. Of course, they got Mardi Gras stuff in here as well, as just like they do everywhere else. This is like all the same stuff we saw earlier and the same shirts. I haven't seen this bag yet. This is pretty cool. This will run you 30 bucks. I also haven't seen these anywhere yet. Little wooden display pieces. 2024 Mardi Gras, Universal Orlando. And I haven't seen these cups yet either. These are cool. It's silicone. Dishwasher safe, microwave safe, non-toxic. That'll run you 22 bucks. Let's see how the lighting holds up in here. Not terrible. Ooh, they're selling actual coffee here. Burial grounds. It costs you 21 bucks for a bag of coffee over here. Some cool little figurines. Some lunch boxes. Rubber ducks. Who saw that coming? I'll tell you what I was not expecting to see. Some rubber ducks. There's a tiki glass over here. A Monster's tiki glass. Oh, they got pumpkin spice coffee over here. I don't know if these are supposed to be sauces. Pumpkin spice sauce, look at this. Jameson Irish whiskey, maple, and barbecue sauce, look at this. See how much this thing will cost. I don't see a price on the side, that sauce. Hot sauce is 14, the barbecue sauce is 16, and the coffee is 21. Themed coffee, totally worth $21. Some more sage in here. If you need to cleanse any spirits or whatever they use sage for. Candles. Hollow's Eve scented candle. Wonder what it smells like. Well, it looks like they got two of them. This is the purple one. This is a dark cider spells scented candle. And this other one here says magic. I don't know. I wouldn't buy either of those.
Wait, are you for YouTube?
Yeah, sure am.
Yo, really?
Want to say hi?
Yeah. Hello, guys.
I just met some friends.
Yes.
Have a nice day. Rob's Entertainment.
Rob's Entertainment.
Yeah. Check it out. Have a nice day. So that's the Lost Continent area. Like I said, rumored to be overhauled and rethemed as a Zelda theme park area. I wouldn't be sad to see it go. To be honest with you, I think it could use a little upgrading. But the food's not terrible from what I've heard. And there's some cool gift shops, kind of a nice change of pace to not have a bunch of lines or like a really, really crowded park area over here. But, you know, I guess time will tell if they're actually going to close it or not. And who knows when. I mean, I'm hearing Simpsons could close before the end of the year. But I said this earlier in the video too. I'm assuming that once Epic opens is when they're going to start refurbishments over here for Islands and Studios. Closing whole sections of the park and just upgrading some stuff, which I think would be nice. Anyways, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you guys next time.